To build a report inside of PlanPlus Online, let's first define the search criteria. Now that you've been working in PlanPlus Online for a while and your database is starting to grow in terms of the numbers of contacts or organizations, it's inevitable that you're going to want to be able to report on the contacts in the database. We've already set that up for you here, so I have a look at the contact area, and then I say Views and Reports, and go into the Report area. Now these reports are in fact views that reflect the data that's displayed when you click the contact area, and that's a whole other subject to create a view. But down here you see Report Builder, so create a new report. Well, when you create a new report, the very first thing that you want to do is define the data that you want to report from. So I say click a report, and the first choice is the data source. So here I say it's a contact, but which of these searches, and these are saved searches, client or prospect for example, friends, prospects, etc. Which of these searches do you want to use for this report? Well, you've got to define that search in the first place. So let's go over here into Advanced Search, and you see the Advanced Search area under the Contact tab, and here I have a number of recent searches that I have conducted, and I also have my saved searches. Now search is no more than you selecting the search criteria. So whatever that criteria might be, and it could be of these core fields, or it could be other information, for example client status. If I search on client status, pop-up opens up and I say, well, I want the client status to equal to active follow-up and waiting to qualify, and go ahead and select that. So now my search is based upon all of the contacts who have this particular client status. Now here's the key thing: is I save this. I want to save this search, and for this example I'll just say new, and I made that a new search, and I save this. Now I have that as a saved search. Now here's where it all comes together. So if I go back into reports now, go down here, create a new report, and among the choices that I have now is the saved searches, new. So here's the new search that I just created called new. Now I can go ahead from this, create my timeline, to determine the numbers of users, and continue to build that report. So that's one way that you can start to build your reports inside of PlanPlus Online.